Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing this ultra thin ceiling lamp. Let's go ahead and show you what you get, and we're gonna set it up and install it for you guys, show you how it looks installed. So that's it. Nothing else in the box. Looks like the manual's right here, but overall it looks very simple. So this is how everything looks. You get the screws. You can run your wires through here, and it looks like you would then run them through in here. It supplies you with a box to cover the cables and everything. You get a red and blue wire, or it might actually be it's kind of like a brown and blue wire. So that is how it looks. It's simple. You just mount this, screw this into your ceiling, and then this would get down in here. You would place this correctly, and then all you do is just spin this, turn the whole thing, and it locks in place, and that's it. 2 wires, that's all it takes. And that's how thin it is.